Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to share some information for our construction clients that use Sage 100 Contractor, so that if that's not you, thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time. For the rest of you, I just have a couple of updates for you. They're very short, and you can read the rest on our website. So you may have noticed that in our newsletter, we have a full page dedicated to our construction clients and focused on Sage 100 Contractor. And on that page, we'll often have updates, recommendations, common issues our clients run into, new issues that we've found, and recommendations on upgrades and timing and things like that. So recently we shared a couple of specific tips that I wanted to mention to you now. One of the most common things that we've seen lately is that a record will not final compute. So we've got some information on that, and hint, it's related to the vacation and sick accruals. The second one is a reminder to always run that 537 payroll audit each and every week when you run that payroll, and most definitely before you create the quarterly payroll tax returns. And a third little tip that I wanted to mention, very common, you may find that after your computer has had patch updates, or maybe you've shut it down if you have a laptop, taken it somewhere else, and you log back in, you launch Sage and you get the following error: failed to connect to the specified SQL server. And lo and behold, your tech next spends the next hour or so trying to figure out what on earth to do. We have exactly the steps for you to do. Sage is aware of it. They blame SQL, and SQL thinks it's Sage, whatever. The fact of the matter is you're stuck in the middle and can't get started. So we have the exact steps in our newsletter on our website. So go ahead and run a search or check out our newsletter for the steps that you can take. It'll save you some money too. Give it to your technician. Let them know what to do to help you next time if you're not comfortable yourself with the steps. We use Sage 100 Contractor. We have dozens and dozens and dozens of clients over the years who use it, come to us for day-to-day issues, regular support and assistance, as well as those odd issues that come up. So check out our website, follow in our newsletter. We have that dedicated page. And if you have suggestions on things you'd like to see or some issues you're running into, we'd love to hear from you. And short of that, you can run a little search on the web page. Thanks for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your week.